Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Disney. Okay, I just made a video. Looks like technical indicators are pointing up. So Disney stock should be going up. And I have this put that I sold a month ago or two ago. I don't remember. A little while ago. Go check out my video. Anyway, I'm in the money by about 10 bucks. 185 is the strike price. And the current price is 174, so I'm going to try to roll this out for another little while. Go out to the monthly. $2, I'll take it. Alright guys, see if this will go through. Alright, I had to come down a little bit on my price I was asking, but I got 204 for the fill. Let's take a look at the position. Alright, now we got a Disney expiration, November 19th. That's about a month out, plus about a week, because it's a Monday expiration week. I'm just going to let this call expire worthless. So I'm just going to make $400 and reduce my cost basis in the stock. So reduced cost basis is 170 about, maybe. Go check out my other video. I have a better prediction. You can see my spreadsheet of how I reduce the cost basis and make that calculation. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure you guys subscribe. And thanks for watching.